So hello fellas, welcome back to another video of Techy Pizza. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the Python basics. So I'm gonna start the basics off with the instructions that how can you create a looping statement, means a looping program in the programming language Python. So if you have seen my earlier videos of Python, then you may be able to know that what exactly is Python. If you have not, go and check it now. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. Here we have our PC. So for making a looping statement, first you have to make a program, a normal program. So what looping statement does, it repeats your program continuously and it never ends. If you want to end it, you just have to kill that program. So first of all, with the you cannot run the looping statement without adding a program. So I have taken the program which I showed in the Python basics, which I showed earlier. So I have this program right over in front of me, and this program was made to find the max number out of the range of numbers that you give to the program. So it says print, this program can find the max number out of the range of numbers that you feed in the program. So let me make some changes in that. So for making a looping statement, we just have to add one command. Yes, we just have to add one command to make it a looping statement and run the program continuously without restarting it again and again. So the code is while true. So you're gonna write while and then give a space and write true. Then you gotta give a colon right over here, and then you gotta save it. So after that, go run, check the module. It's working. Let me see. It's working. Yes. So now you gotta go to run again and click on run module. So I'm gonna run the module. So this program can find the max number out of the range of numbers that you need, that you feed in this program. So enter your first number here. So I think my first number should be 67. Those are random numbers. 78. So the third number is 90. So you must be thinking that this is the end of the program. But still, if I press enter, then you'll be able to see the magic. So if I press enter, then you'll be able to see that the program has started again. You can now enter the numbers again, and you can run the program continuously without restarting it. And if you want to quit it, then press that. It's simple. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Techy Pizza channel, and don't forget to comment down below that what next Python basics do you want to see. Make sure you have a great day.